Hey everybody, John Duncan here. Just want to come to you about something I was thinking about today, and it's a lot of people ask, how in the heck do you work with such big clients? This is for advisors. And I want to explain it like this. This idea came to me, I was just thinking about it today. And think about like real estate agents. The most highest net worth real estate agent I've ever worked with and worked, know personally, it's worth about $30 million. And that's incredible because most of them are not worth anywhere near that, but 30 million. However, I have developers, real estate developers that are worth hundreds of millions of dollars. And the difference between a real estate agent and a real estate developer is the same if you think about it as a financial professional, be it insurance professional, stockbroker, a planner, whatever you want to call it. It's one thing to know the basics, like in the real estate example, the agent knows how to sell like there's no tomorrow. I mean, $30 million net worth in real estate, that's substantial. But what does the developer know that he doesn't know? The developer knows the whole business of real estate, not just how to sell real estate, but how to find property, how to get loans from the bank to fund the projects, all the different things. And so by expanding his knowledge of the real estate, not from a how do I sell it, but how do I create a business from real estate, makes it a completely different scenario. And in the financial world, what I learned is relying on the industry training it only got me so far. Now, I was super successful with average clients, don't get me wrong, but I was never going to go to that next level just knowing what was shared. It'd be like being a real estate agent, being trained by real estate agents. You're never going to learn what it takes to go to that next level that a developer would know, unless you go hang out with developers and get trained by developers that know that part of the real estate business. Same difference when it comes to money. And over the last 10 years, that's where over half of my time investment has been learning how to be a investor, not an investment salesman, if you would, but how to really expand wealth. And believe me, it's not what you find in books. I'm talking about in the field, interviewing and working with clients that have made hundreds of millions of dollars and finding out what they do that is completely different than the rest of society. And that is the sole reason now I'm able to help people at such a higher level, because I have so many client examples now that I am able to share that wisdom and help them as a client transition to a much stronger position or a much stronger understanding or a much better strategy. So the point is, if you're thinking as how do I sell these products and services, you're only going to get so far. When you start thinking as the investor, how do you get wealthy? How do you stay wealthy? What are advanced tax strategies? How do you build leverage? What kind of passive income possibilities are there? How do you build that? Who's already built that? When you come from that place and seek that out every single day and add those skill sets, if you will, large dollar clients come find you because they know what your value is vast now to them. So anyway, I hope that helps. Again, it's John Duncan sharing what it takes to move up the economic food chain if you want to work with millionaire and multi-millionaire type clients. This is the type of ideas that it takes. This is one of the tips that I'm going to share. And this particular one is ultra important. So anyway, hope you're having a great day. Talk to you soon.